Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Rudra Study Circle. So in the last video I have given that formula for Gram-Schmidt process, how to convert for any given basis to the orthonormal basis. So let us see solve one problem. So question is applying Gram-Schmidt process to the basis to obtain a orthonormal basis of R3. So this is the basis is given. This is not orthonormal basis. We need to get the orthonormal basis. Okay. So what we do? We'll assume beta 1 equal to 101, beta 2 equal to 10 minus 1, and beta 3 equal to 0, 3, 4. Okay. And alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 is the orthonormal basis. Okay. Orthonormal basis. Normal basis. So how to get this alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3? So for this, the formulas I have given in the previous video, you can refer that. So let us try to get alpha 1. So alpha 1 is nothing but beta 1 by norm of beta 1. Okay, so this beta 1 equal to 101 by divided by 1 square plus 0 plus 1 square. So root 2. So we get the 101 by root 2. So this will be your 1 by root 2, comma 0, comma 1 by root 2. So this is your alpha 1. So if this is your orthonormal vector. If you get the norm, we'll get the 1 here. So 1 by root 2 whole square plus 0 plus 1 by root 2 whole square equal to 1. So this is alpha 1. Now let us get the alpha 2. Alpha 2 equal to gamma 2 by norm of gamma 2. Okay. So what is the gamma 2? Gamma 2 equal to formula we know beta 2 minus inner product of beta 2 alpha 1 into alpha 1. Okay. So beta 2 equal to, we have this 1, 0, minus 1 minus inner product of beta 2. So beta 2 equal to 1, 0, minus 1, and alpha 1 is 1 by root 2, 0, 1 by root 2 into alpha 1. Alpha 1 equal to 1 by root 2, comma 0, comma 1 by root 2. Let us try to solve this. So we get the 1, 0, minus 1 minus. This will be your 1 by root 2 plus 0 minus 1 by root 2. So 0. So this is 0. So we get everything 0. So we get 1, 0, minus 1. So gamma 2 equal to 1, 0, minus 1. So alpha 2 equal to gamma 2 by norm of gamma 2. So this is equal to 1, 0, minus 1 by 1 under root 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square. So under root 2. So we get the 1 by root 2, 0, minus 1 by root 2. So this is your alpha 2. Now last gamma alpha 3. So for alpha 3 equal to gamma 3 by norm of gamma 3. What is gamma 3? Gamma 3 equal to beta 3 minus beta 3 alpha 1 into alpha 1 minus beta 3 alpha 2 into alpha 2. So let us try to substitute that all the vectors. So beta 3 equal to, we have 0, 3, 4. Okay, minus beta 3. So 0, 3, 4. Inner product of beta 3 and alpha 1. Alpha 1 we know that is your 1 by root 2, comma 0, comma 1 by root 2. And into alpha 1. So that will be your 1 by root 2, comma 0, comma 1 by root 2. Minus again beta 3 means 0, 3, 4 into alpha 2. So alpha 2 equal to 1 by root 2, 0, minus 1 by root 2 into alpha 2. So alpha 2 equal to 1 by root 2, comma 0, comma minus 1 by root 2. So this we need to simplify for gamma 3. Let us try to simplify. So 0, 3, 4 minus, so this will be your 0, 0 and 4 by root 2. So we will get the 4 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 0, 1 by root 2 minus here 0, 0 and minus 4 by root 2, minus 4 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 0 minus 1 by root 2. Then we will have 0, 3, 4 and minus, so this will have the 4 by 2, so we will get 2 and 0 and 4 by 0, again 4 by 2, so 2, okay, and minus plus and 4 by 2, so we will get the 2 and 0 and we will get the minus 2, okay, so we get 0 minus 2 plus 2, so 0 and 3 minus 0 plus 0, so we get 3 and 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2, so 4 minus 4, 0, so we get 0, 3, 0, so your gamma 3 equal to 3, 0, 3, so your gamma 3, so your gamma 3 equal to 0, 3, 0, okay. Then what about the alpha 3? Alpha 3 equal to gamma 3 by norm of gamma 3. So this is equal to 0, 3, 0 by what? Under root 0 square plus 3 square plus 0. So 3 will get, okay. So we'll get the 0, 1, 0. So alpha 3, okay. So your orthonormal basis will be alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. So your alpha 1 equal to 1 by root 2, 0, 1 by root 2, comma alpha 2 will be 1 by root 2, comma 0, comma minus 1 by root 2, and alpha 3 equal to 0, 1, 0. Okay. So this is also basis of R3, but property we have this is the orthonormal basis. This is your orthonormal basis. Okay. So this is your answer. Thank you.